All right, what are we working with here, Austin?
This is Cat6.
You're just getting the strands out?
Yep. There's a certain color code. We do Class B. Nobody uses Class A, hardly ever.
And the color codes to go into the Keystone, right?
Yep, and it's the orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, and brown, white, brown.
That's a lot of colors. I'm glad I'm a salesman. I just have to sell it.
I wouldn't be surprised if I've done close to 1 million of these connections.
Oh, God. One for each end, right?
One for each end. It's the same thing for network, too.
All right, so we got our colors all in order. Now we're going to get them into the Keystone here. All right, folks. And bada bing, bada boom, bada done.
All done.